2 oils plus 4 oils equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 oils. 2 loofahs plus 2 loofahs equals 4 loofahs.
One hippie plus...
No, I'm supposed to say plus. Just do it.
One hippie
Plus 1 hippie
equals 2 hippies.
1 tomato plus 1 tomato equals 2 tomatoes. 2 zucchinis plus 2 zucchinis equal 4 zucchinis. 4 zucchinis plus 2 tomatoes equals 6 vegetables.
Why in the world would I have you watch that? Here's why. Because oils are like denominators. It's like your label, okay? It's what you're talking about. So 2 oils plus 4 oils equals 6 oils. So when you have a common denominator in a fraction, like when your denominators already match, you leave it the same. An oil is still an oil, okay? You just add the numerators. If you have 2 loofah plus 2 loofah, you have 4 loofah. Okay, so if you already have matching denominators, you keep the denominator the same and you just add the numerators. Problem number 3 was 1 hippie plus 1 hippie equals 2 hippies. Okay? All right. Then these next two, little Tessa did 1 tomato plus 1 tomato equals 2 tomatoes. So add the numerators, keep the denominator the same. And then Greta had 2 zucchini plus 2 zucchini. Remember, leave that denominator the same, so it's still zucchini. And 2 plus 2 equals 4, so 4 zucchini. Now, the last part that the girls did was she took her 2 tomatoes and she took her 4 zucchini, and they wanted to add those together. So 2 tomatoes plus 4 zucchini equals, well, they had to do something a little bit different because you can't say 6 tomatoes and you can't say 6 zucchini. So they had to come up with a new denominator. So they had to bring the LCM down low. Can you bring it to the flow? Can you figure out the top like you never ever stop? Okay, so they had to find what they had in common. In this case, it's a little bit different than actual math, but they had to find vegetables. They had to find a new common denominator. Okay, so that's what you're going to have to do. If you don't have the same denominators, you're going to have to find a new one, which is when we're going to use the Arizona fraction wrap. And I'm going to put the original video on here for you. If you already have the same denominator, leave it the same. Just add the numerators, okay? Now, obviously, these would have to go in the time machine because this is vegetables. It's going to be different. That's going to stay like that. But if when you do find the same denominator, you have to use the secret code to figure out the top for your new one in real math, okay? So I'm going to give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 problems where the denominators already match, so you leave it the same. And then I'm going to give you one bonus where you have to see if you can do the Arizona fraction wrap to figure out your new fractions with your common denominator to get your answer, okay? So number 6 will be a bonus today.